Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a story on Instagram. To create a story on Instagram is super easy. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram application from your mobile device or your computer. First of all, go ahead and open up your Instagram application and then make sure that you're logged in. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the Your Story button at the top left corner. Now, this will take you to this page from where you can capture something new for your story or upload your story from your gallery. I'm just going to select a media from my device's camera roll. If you want to take a picture or a video right away, tap on the camera icon. This will then take you to your camera screen from where you can take a picture or a video you'd like to add to your story. To choose one from your device's camera roll, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left. Select a picture or a media you'd like to add to your story and click on Done at the top right. Now, after selecting the media, you will be able to see that the image has now been previewed on the screen. Use the tools provided at the top of the screen such as text, stickers, sounds, etc. and add effects to your story so that it stands out. You can add text, use smiley face icons for stickers, GIFs, polls or music, swipe left or right for filters as well. After creating your story, click on Your Stories at the bottom left, and this will be able to help you add your story on your Instagram account. And right after that, you will be able to post your story on Instagram. Whether you're sharing your day, promoting something, or just having fun, stories are a great way to stay connected. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.